Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send money from your Bank of America account to Wise in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is faster, more secure, and easier than ever, especially for international transfers or managing your finances across borders. Whether you're a frequent traveler, freelancer, or just splitting bills with friends abroad, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Bank of America app updated to the 2025 version. It's got some cool new features like biometric authentication for added security. Start by opening the app and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers section, which is usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select External Transfer, or Wire Transfer. In 2025, Bank of America has streamlined this with a new partnership with Wise, so it might just say, Send to Wise, as an option. You'll need to enter the recipient's Wise details, like their Wise account number or email linked to Wise. Double-check everything to avoid any fees from mistakes. Now, for the fun part. Input the amount you want to send. The app will show you the current exchange rates in real time, thanks to Wise's integration, and estimate any fees up front. In 2025, look out for the Eco Transfer option if you're environmentally conscious. It uses digital pathways to reduce carbon impact. Review the details, add a memo if needed, and hit Confirm. You'll get a two-factor authentication prompt for security, so have your phone handy. Once confirmed, the transfer typically processes within minutes to a few hours, depending on the amount and your account type. Wise will notify you when the funds arrive. Pro tip: always check for any promotional offers between Bank of America and Wise for waived fees. And there you have it. That's how you send money from Bank of America to Wise in 2025. It's straightforward, secure, and saves you time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.